Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Vostro 3520. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell Vostro 3520 has a cracked screen, you're not alone. This can occur due to accidental drops or pressure on the screen. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage, affecting your display and possibly your laptop's internal components, making repairs more complicated and costly. To tackle this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a replacement LCD screen, and some adhesive strips. Start by ensuring your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw securing the back panel and gently lift it off using the plastic spudger. This will expose the internal components. The screen assembly is located at the front of the laptop, and you will need to carefully disconnect the cables attaching it to the motherboard. Make sure to take note of where each cable connects, as this will be crucial when replacing the screen. Once you have disconnected the cables, locate the screws holding the cracked screen in place. Remove these screws and gently lift the screen away from the laptop. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage surrounding components. Take your replacement LCD screen and align it with the mounting points on the laptop chassis. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Now, reconnect the cables to the motherboard, ensuring they are seated firmly in their respective ports. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is reconnected, carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop and secure it with the screws. Finally, power on your laptop to verify that the display is functioning correctly. To prevent future screen damage, consider using a protective case or screen protector. Additionally, always handle your laptop with care, and avoid placing heavy objects on top of it. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.